friends and family, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. This is going to be a clean and decorate with me video. My daughter recently had a friend over and they took down her braids and hair was everywhere. So I decided to take this opportunity, for lack of a better word, and film myself cleaning and showing you all everything that's going on the bed. I'm going to number and list all of the items that are going on the bed in the video. I just finished using the broom to pull most of the hair up off of the floor so it won't clog up the vacuum. I remember back in the days when we used to have those egg crate mattress pads on our beds. Well, this one is similar, except it is memory foam. I got it from Kohl's. It was like $19.99, I believe. It was one of their special buys. It's regular price, $99.99. But of course, in Kohl's, you know you never pay full price. They're just like Hobby Lobby. You wait for the sale, and that's when you purchase what you want. I got this mirror from Home Goods. I probably paid anywhere from $80 to $100 for it. I've had it for quite some time. Okay, so now we're through cleaning and wiping everything down. Let's go ahead and get started on the fun part. These are some great sheets. I got them from Amazon. They were probably $19.99. It was a full queen set with 4 pillowcases. They are absolutely amazing. I'll put the link to them in the comment section just in case you're interested in buying them. So my daughter washed this coverlet and it ended up with a bleach stain. She said she didn't use any bleach. Sometimes fabric does fade out in spots and it has the appearance of a bleach-like look. And it's a perfectly fine coverlet, so we're going to use it. The stain is at the bottom, so no one will know. It is clean, so I'm not throwing it away. We're going to use it. I got this comforter from Overstock. I'll put the link to it in the comment section. I did go back and look and it was sold out, so hopefully it's back in stock. I'll put the information if anyone is interested in purchasing it. I'm just going to use the comforter and the 2 standard pillowcases for this bed. It's a 7-piece set. It came with the comforter, 2 pillow shams, 3 decorative pillows, and the bed skirt. But I'm only going to use the comforter and the 2 pillow shams. All right, friends and family, we are coming to the end of the video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post videos. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks again for watching.